Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably eager to move your USDC from Binance to Revolut in 2025. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this guide will help you get your funds where you need them quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Revolut. If you don't, head over to their websites or apps and create one. It's free and easy. Once you're logged into Binance, start by checking your USDC balance. Go to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Fiat and Spot to see your crypto holdings. Now, let's get to the withdrawal. Navigate to the Withdraw option, usually found in the Wallet menu. Search for USDC in the cryptocurrency list. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details, specifically, the address or bank details for Revolut. Since Revolut supports crypto and fiat, you might withdraw USDC as a crypto token or convert it to fiat first. For a direct transfer, select the network like ERC20 for USDC and input your Revolut account's IBAN or virtual card details if applicable. Double-check everything: the amount you're withdrawing, the network fees, and the recipient address to avoid any mistakes. Binance might charge a small fee, so keep that in mind. It could be around 1 to 5 USDC depending on the network. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code via email or app. Enter it to finalize the transaction. Processing times can vary. It might take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, especially with network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, log into your Revolut app and check your balance. You should see the USDC or converted funds there. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support teams to help out. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDC from Binance to Revolut in 2025. Always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication and double-check details to protect your assets. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that financial knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.